Hey guys, we're going to replace a belt on a Husqvarna Riding Lawn Mower. I'll put the model number down in the description here. Valued out, got the deck off and everything to show you. And it's got a diagram if it's not wore off on it and everything. Okay, it's going to go just like that right there. This will go on the front pull to the motor. Remember, this is the front end and everything. I hope this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching, guys.